इनिशिएट लिया कैलेंडर लॉन्च का, उस पे क्या विषय थे?
जितना बड़ा इनिशिएटिव अक्षय भोसले जी ने लिया है उतनी ही बड़ी मैं शुभकामनाएं अक्षय जी को देने आया हूं और मेरी ढेर सारी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं हैं। मैं दिल से दुआ करता हूं कि इनके जितने भी प्रयास हैं वो सफल हों और ये ज़िंदगी में तरक्की के रास्ते पर ऐसे ही बढ़ते चले जाएं।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. That means
So
a
what
lot.
do you have to say about what is the effort behind this full initiative?
So the effort was very much. मेरा यही ख्वाहिश थी कि कभी मैं अपना खुद का कुछ एक बड़ा एक लॉन्च कर दूँ एंड आई थिंक अभी मेरे लिए ज़्यादा बोलने के वर्ड्स नहीं है क्योंकि सर ने खुद ही बता दिया है कि आई थिंक मेरे लिए वही काफ़ी हो जाता है कि उन्होंने हमारे एफर्ट्स को बरखा है आई थिंक वही काफ़ी है हमारे लिए। थैंक यू सर।
अभी नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट के लिए क्या बताना चाहेंगे? What is your
सो
next
नाउ हमारा नया प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो एक मराठी फिल्म आ रही है, इट्स कॉल्ड एज सावली एंड हमारे बहुत सारे प्लेज और थिएटर्स ड्रामाज वगैरह रिलीज़ हो जाएंगे NCPA में, ओपेरा हाउस में, तो आई थिंक वेट एंड वॉच यही कहूँगा मैं। थैंक यू।
मैं एक ख़ास बात बोलना चाहूँगा। अक्षय जी ने एक बहुत अच्छा जो मुझे दिल से बहुत पसंद आया कि जो थिएटर के लोगों को ये जो बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं, इनिशिएटिव दे रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा कदम है। ड्रामास को, थिएटर को लेकर के जो आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं उसके लिए। बेसिकली मैं थिएटर से ही हूँ तो मेरा लगाव बेसिकली फ्रॉम हेयर आई एम थिएटिशियन, तो मेरी दिल से दुआएं।
ज़रूर।
सर इंडस्ट्री में सिंस लॉन्ग आपका नाम काफ़ी रिस्पेक्ट लिए जाता है, सब जानते हैं। अभी क्या प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं और आगे का क्या कुछ बताना चाहेंगे इस बारे में?
अभी मेरा सब जानते हैं, मेरे मित्र लोग जानते हैं कि मैं तेनालीरामा से फ्री हुआ हूँ 2 महीने पहले ही। अभी टेलीविज़न नहीं कर रहा हूँ, अभी पूरा जो ध्यान है वो वेब सीरीज़ पर है और फिल्मों पर है। 2-3 फिल्में मैंने की भी हैं और कुछ अच्छे काम फरवरी में शुरू होने वाले हैं, जिसके बारे में मैं सभी मित्रों को विस्तार में अगली बार बताऊंगा।
थैंक यू
वेरी मच।
सो मच सर।
Thank you.
Say about the great initiative taken by Akshay Bhosle. Say something about it.
It's indeed a proud moment. I'm really happy for Akshay and Paul both. Rather, I would like to mention, I was one of the initial shoots that Paul had done when he moved from Hyderabad. And also, I guess, one of the first shoots from the Marathi film industry that he has done, and was appreciated a lot because he was the one who gave me a vast difference in my look, and the pictures were appreciated quite well. And I've seen his journey ever since, from the past, I guess, more than 4-5 years or more.
Now it's 7 years.
7 years, right. So, and we have done several shoots after that, and similarly because of that, because of their partnership and seeing this day today, it's indeed a very proud moment. So congratulations to
Thank you
Akshay
so
as
much.
well as congratulations to Paul.
It means a lot.
It's a wonderful thing and I'm looking forward for the event.
No, you want to add something to this? Everything I appreciate about your work also everyone sees. What do you have to say about that?
I don't have much to say. I'm more thankful to God for whatever He's done, and a lot of friends like Akshay. I bumped into, and it just was a very accidental thing that happened, and I'm glad that we worked together.
Thank you so much, Paul.
And Bhushan, as he rightly mentioned, the first actor in Marathi industry that I worked with, and the way his pictures went viral, I was he's going to be my constant actor that I'm going to shoot with. Thanks a lot, Bhushan, for making
Thank you.
it.
Thank
It
you so
means a
much.
lot.
Thank you, Paul. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
So what
Thank
do you
you.
have to
Thank you
say?
so much.
Say something to lines of the people say.
No, I am honestly very nervous because Paul has given me also a very good opportunity to be in the media, to launch my own media house. I think with brilliant actors like Bhushan, and I think I have always seen Bhushan's work on screen, and so it was always given me happiness in terms of acting and the kind of personality what he has. Thank you so much, Paul. Thank you so much, Bhushan. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi guys.
Ajay sir, please, Ajay.
सब तो
So Paul,
so
close.
Ajay sir. Yeah, man, what do you have to say about the Akshay Bhosle taking a great initiative today? So what's your wishes about it?
Well, I'm very happy to be here, and thank you so much, Paul, for inviting me. And I wish that this calendar brings a lot of prosperity,
Thank you.
lots of work, lots of success in his life, in his career. So yeah.
Akshay sir, what do you have to say about it?
No, I am very happy what these both guys have been a part of this media launch and calendar launch. I think thank you so much, Roshni, for coming here and of course being a part of our launch. And thank you so much for Paul for giving us this opportunity. Yeah.
अक्षय सर, आपकी क्या शुभकामनाएं? अक्षय ने इतना मेहनत करके यहाँ तक काम लेके आए हैं।
अक्षय बहुत इंटेलिजेंट लड़का है और मेरी विशेष है उसको बेस्ट विशेष है कि वो सक्सेस होए हमेशा और उसको कुछ ना कुछ आगे करने की चाहत रहती है, मुझे अच्छा लगता है। और वो आई विश ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर दिस कैलेंडर लॉन्च।
सर, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे अक्षय ने इतना
पॉल के साथ तो हमने काम किया है 10 साल पहले, हमने एक किड फोटो शूट किया है।
आपके लड़के का ही है।
हाँ। और द बेस्ट पार्ट क्या है कि पहला ऐसा फोटोग्राफर है जो सुपर एनर्जेटिक है। सुबह 9 बजे से सुबह 6 बजे से लेकर शाम के 6 बजे तक कंटिन्यूसली फ़ोटो शूट कर रहा था। मैं कामना करता हूँ कि ऐसे ही वो करते रहे और आगे फुल सक्सेस रहे। और अक्षय को भी बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ।
थैंक यू सो मच।
Congratulations again. Yeah.
आओ ना केशव भाई, अरे आ जाओ आ जाओ, मैंने 2-3 मूवी बनाई है, डायरेक्टर आ जाओ ना, आ जाओ। कुछ बाइट दो ना, बेस्ट विशेष
प्लीज प्लीज
हर बार का एक मूवी आया था।
थैंक यू।
अक्षय भोसले को क्या विश करना चाहेंगे? अक्षय भोसले जी ने
ये हमारे साथ ही
So it's about a calendar, right?
Right. You can talk about yourself as well.
I just want to talk about you. Ajay Bhosle.
Ajay Bhosle.
No, Bhosle or Bhosle. Akshay Bhosle. Hi, so I like to wish Akshay Bhosle a very, very success of this calendar that they are launching. It's beautiful. I've seen all the images. They have put very hard work on that, and I wish them all the very best for it. And
you so
congratulations.
much. Thank you so
I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
ग्रुप फोटो यहाँ
I'm extremely happy कि पॉल ने और अक्षय ने एक बड़ा इनिशिएटिव लिया है, नया इनिशिएटिव लिया है, तो I'm very much happy. अभी फ़िलहाल मैं एक शो कर रहा हूँ, विघ्नहर्ता गणेश, जो सोनी टीवी पर आता है. That's it.
Oh, Arun and I, we worked together on a very nice exclusive shoot, I know, and he was very supportive, and I guess one of the best indoor shoots I've done with him. So thank you, Arun, for giving the opportunity.
I just will have one word that Arun is an amazing actor and an amazing talented person because I've seen his work. So thank you so much, Arun, for being a part of this launch.
Thank you so much, Arun.
Thank you so much. We'll have a picture.
वो वहाँ पे उड़ गया। ये सेट कर लेना। बाल बाल।
हेलो हेलो चेक चेक 1 2 3 1 2 3
Come. So first the grooming team. नहीं पहले हाँ one by one.
I don't have to shout, right? The mic will take
Javed, see, where are you?
तो वो पहले बोल दे क्या पूछने वाले मैं सोच
Oh, इतना ही छोटा था।
So, working with Paul has always been very good, and me and Paul go back a long way. And I was very, very happy when Paul approached me for handling the makeup and hair for this shoot. And I like the whole variety of looks that this calendar had. We had a vintage look, we had a very conventional look. So we worked around with makeup and hair, which was minimal but yet conventional. At the same time, it was very vintage and 1930s. So yeah, it was wonderful to work.
What is your role in the whole background?
So We were handling the makeup and hair. This is my team, Ayushi and Johit. He's also my twin brother. And Shri, she's a hair expert. And Kishore, you want to say something?
Hi.
He was the stylist.
Yeah. Okay, let me introduce myself.
Say about Paul and Akshay.
Paul and Akshay. Okay, my name is Kishore Kumar and my Instagram handle is style by K Kumar. वैसे. Too much of branding happening. And anyway, like this, the whole project. Me and Paul were working for quite few years actually, and all of a sudden Paul has called me and gave me a buffer time of 3 to 4 days, and the whole thing got sorted within 3 days. And yeah. It's great working with Paul every time, with Johit and Johan also. And every team, every person has put really good effort to get the looks out, and even Paul has justified every single look we pulled on. And thanks to Akshay for putting everything together on board. And
Paul
yes,
always takes very good care of it.
yes, Paul is a really good. Yes. Akshay should speak something now.
So I would just like to tell you guys that these guys are amazingly talented, superb at their creativity, amazing hair and makeup. In such a short notice, they managed to arrange amazing, beautiful clothes, made our calendar look like sizzling hot. I think Kishore and all the team, Johan, everybody, and Paul, thank you so much for having an amazing team. And thank you so much for making our calendar look so beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, look here, look here, look here. Yes, look here. Sir, look here. What do you have to say about Paul and Akshay?
So I think Paul I know from like since the time I came to the industry. पहला मेरा portfolio Paul ने किया था, and Akshay of course is I'm so happy he's kind of sponsoring this whole calendar because it's going to be looking great. I've seen some screenshots of this, but I'm very excited to see the entire look.
Yeah, I've seen some looks, the first few looks and first few pictures, they're amazing. And Akshay मेरा college का दोस्त है, तो मतलब this is a big day. Yes, it's a big day for me as well because seeing my college friend grow into something so amazing and so big. So congratulations to both of you, and I'm just glad to be here. Oh, my coming projects, I'm not going to reveal, so stay tuned. But till then, you can go and watch my other projects that are on Old Balaji, and I've done a couple of music videos, Warrior High on MTV, so you can enjoy.
So it's going to be a complete surprise for me. I don't think I've seen any of the snippets yet. So very excited to see.
Thank you so much.
And congratulations.
All right, congratulations, all the best. Actually, like I've spoken enough.
Thank you. Of course, it's first. And
Farid, you'd see.
I guess first of all, we would like to say the entire model team, happy birthday, Akshay.
Thank you.
And thanks to entire team. It was really wonderful working with you guys.
Thank you so much, Farid. Thank you.
Special thanks to Paul and Akshay. Entire team that we have worked with each other.
Thank you so much.
Experience.
अबे आंसू आने लगे मुझे.
Let me try.
Faizan,
So we are very
any
excited
questions
to
you can
see
ask?
calendar.
Yeah.
You can ask any.
Shehbaz, come.
Something about Paul and Akshay sir. What's your
Opinion, like my opinion. Yeah, it was like good with working Paul and Akshay, and it's wonderful. Like I just saw love that clothes and all, and yeah, we are very excited to see our calendar launch. So thank you so much, Akshay and Paul.
Thank you.
So much. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Ami, anything? Anjali, come here. Come.
I can't see.
So, Faizan, Anjali.
Hi, good. So,
what your wishes about Akshay and Paul? He's taking a great initiative of the calendar launch. What's your wishes about
the initiative of the calendar launch is like a very big thing, and I was very excited to shoot with them. So thank you so much,
Thank you
Akshay
so much,
and Paul,
and the garments were lovely, the shoot was lovely, and of course Paul's an amazing photographer, so I was very excited.
Thank you. It was lovely working with this team. All the models were so amazingly talented. The kind of the poses they gave, it was such a quick shoot to be done. You know, I mean, I think this was the first time that we have finished, I think, Paul, the shoot so quickly, because such professionalism and such kind of amazingly expressions they were giving. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Because of you guys, the calendar is a hit. So cheers to calendar! Thank you.
थैंक यू।
पहले हम आप ये मानो किसी मिल रहा है आपसे मिल रहे हैं और मैं हमेशा आसपास ही होते हैं। अब ये गर्लफ्रेंड कॉल थी वहीं पे घर पे गए हम। अच्छा अभी आपको हम ये मैडम इस बार भाई आइए बहुत सारे हम ये भाई
भी मतलब आसपास हो गए तो आई विश देम ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। मतलब यंग 2 लड़के मेरे साथ खड़े हैं एंड या आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड। अब अंदर जाके पता चलेगा क्या हो रहा है। इट्स अ कैलेंडर लॉन्च एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर।
Thank you.
Thank you.
Photographer industry, so what do you have to say about it?
When are you clicking my pictures?
Now let's do it tomorrow. We'll definitely shoot it.
Definitely.
Thank you so much, Jasleen, for coming for the event. This has been really a very big platform for all of us that you being a part of our launch. And thank you so much. You look gorgeous.
Thank you. Pleasure being here.
अभी आपके प्रोजेक्ट की बात करें तो क्या कहना चाहिए उस पर कुछ?
अरे वो मेरी स्टूडेंट है अनूप जी के साथ जो मेरी फिल्म आ रही है, उसका पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन चल रहा है। बहुत जल्दी आप लोग हमें एक और बार दोबारा साथ में देखेंगे। इससे पहले हमने आप सबको इतना एंटरटेन किया है, तो इस फिल्म के थ्रू हम आप सबको वापस एंटरटेन करने वाले हैं। इट्स अ वेरी कॉमेडी फिल्म और मैं वेट कर रही हूँ एंड बहुत सारे लोग भी वेट कर रहे हैं। आई एम श्योर वो लोग एंजॉय करेंगे।
मैम अगर बिग बॉस में फिर से आपको जाने का मौका मिले तो आप क्या जाना चाहेंगे?
अरे डेफिनेटली जाना चाहूँगी। मैं हमेशा ये कहती हूँ कि बिग बॉस ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस है जहाँ पर आप चाहे कितने पैसे भी खर्च कर दो तो भी वो घर वो एक्सपीरियंस आपको दोबारा नहीं मिलेगा। तो मुझे आई वॉज लकी कि मुझसे शादी करोगे उस बिग बॉस 13 के घर में मुझे एंटर करने का मौका मिला और अभी वापस अगर मुझे जाना हो तो डेफिनेटली मैं जाऊँगी। मुझे लगता है रुबीना के काफ़ी चांसेस हैं। रुबीना के काफ़ी चांसेस हैं, है ना?
Yes, totally.
कौन आ सकता है बिग बॉस में अभी आप?
यार मैं ऑनेस्टली ना इतना फॉलो नहीं कर रही। मुझे लग रहा था कि एजाज भी टॉप 5 में होने वाले हैं, बट आई थिंक अभी वो एविक्ट हो गए हैं। वो है घर में। ही इज अनवेल। ओके ठीक है, तो अभी इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू से। राखी इज़ वेरी एंटरटेनिंग। राखी सबको बहुत एंटरटेन करती आ रही है इतने सालों से और शी इज़ अ स्वीट हार्ट। बहुत अच्छा खेल रही हैं वो। और अर्शी के बारे में मैं कुछ खास जानती नहीं हूँ। अर्शी के बारे में नो कमेंट्स।
राखी नई ट्रिक कर रही है बिग बॉस में अभी, तो वो देख के आप पुराना आपका टाइम याद आ रहा है बिग बॉस हाउस का, या उसके लिए क्या एक्सपीरियंस है?
बहुत याद आ रहा है। मतलब आई थिंक राखी ने भी बहुत बड़ा एक मेजर डिफरेंस देखा होगा शो में, अब जाके एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा। उनके टाइम पे जब उन्होंने बिग बॉस किया था तब बहुत डिफरेंट हुआ करता था शो और इस टाइम पे बहुत डिफरेंट है, तो वो एक एक अलग एक्सपीरियंस उनको भी हुआ होगा एंड आई एम श्योर शी इज़ एंजॉइंग। और बाहर आने के बाद राखी से पूछूंगी कि कैसा लगा उन्हें।
और जस्लीन यहाँ प्रेजेंट है, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे उसके लिए एज अ गेस्ट यहाँ पे आई हैं, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
For me, it's a pleasure and honor that Jasleen is here and she's launching our calendar. Thank you so much, Jasleen,
Pleasure.
for making it here. And she looks so stunning.
Yeah, she's
Thank you.
beautiful. and such a glamorous face also being a part of our glamorous calendar. I think that's itself proves a lot.
Thank you. Looking forward. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure.